Welcome back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best work from home jobs available that are hiring right now, and sharing them to you on a daily basis. I normally put out 3-4 videos a day with different work from home job leads. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and I always have the direct links to the pages if you want to put that application in the YouTube description box below this video. With that being said, a lot of you have been enjoying quality review positions and different quality type positions. So I have 2 quality review positions that are hiring right now in this video. First up, we have a quality specialist from CVS Health. They are hiring for their Aetna line, and they're looking for somebody to basically be an analyst and audit pre and post payment claims for accuracy, identify any errors on those claims, and make the necessary corrective actions. So you're going to be auditing the claims work of all the claims team and making sure those claims are accurate. If you find any errors, you will just correct them. Now, pay for this position is going to be dependent on location and experience and ranges anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $27.90 an hour. They also offer a standard benefit package that includes 401k, paid time off, all of those sorts of things. What they're looking for is someone who has great communication skills, someone who can interact effectively and courtesy with other people, someone who can be a multitasker, managing multiple tasks and maintain a high work volume, great organizational skills, and great attention to detail. Now, they require a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree. And while they prefer 1 to 2 years of claims processing experience, it is not a requirement for this job. And the second position I have for you is the company Maximus. Now, they are hiring a quality control support coordinator. This is again remote. Both of these are for the United States. Now, for Maximus, they have 3 openings for this job. They're hiring 3 different people to do quality control. But this position is going to be customer service and focused, ensuring the customer's issues are resolved in alignment with their program policy and protocols. So you're going to be reviewing that customer service. You'll perform quality checks on all types of call interactions. So you're going to listen into phone calls or listen to recorded phone calls that the customer service reps were taking and perform quality control on those. You'll work within the departments on any special request, making sure that daily and monthly tasks are completed. You'll identify any trends and address any issues and gaps in the process with your lead or supervisor. You're going to perform root cause analysis of these quality control audits, looking to see what is causing any issues and putting processes in place that help fix the issues. So you may also have to give feedback to the customer service reps, things like that. You'll detect, research, and report any cases internally. Now, while they prefer an associate's or bachelor's degree, one is not required. Only a high school diploma or GED is required with 1 year experience in customer service. You do have to be able to use computers well, learn new software programs quickly, and have great organizational and communication skills. Now, pay for this position, again, is going to be dependent on location and experience, but ranges anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $20 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. If you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.